it's Fatima with another video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clear slime. You will need clear glue, Tide, well this is slime activator, but I suggest you guys to use the borax solution or contact lens solution with a tablespoon of baking soda because this will color it. A mixing bowl, a mixing tool, I'm using this, and glitter, which is optional. So I'm going to add my glue to the bowl. And I'm going to add like one, this is basically, I'm going to say it like tablespoon / teaspoon. I'm going to add 1 full spoon of that. Actually 2. And then start to mix it. And if you're going to add glitter right now. And that's how mine is looking. Sorry if it was dark. And then just keep on mixing it. And then there it is. There is a clear slime. You just gotta knead it, and because it will be sticky. So I'm just kneading mine. Okay. And there is your slime. And if you don't want it like this, you could add some. If you don't want it clear, you could just add some food coloring. And glitter is optional. So that's it, guys. And remember to like, subscribe to join the unicorn family, and if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you guys back. And then comment down more video ideas because I literally have no ideas. So yeah, bye.